Hello everybody, it's Lisa from Joyfully Art. Time for another video. First off, here's the little 8x10 I did for my last video. Look at all this lacing. Beautiful, I really love this one. So if you're interested, you know how to get a hold of me. It's all in the description box below my videos. So let's get on with the next. This time I have a 12-inch round. I think I'm going to do a strainer, sink strainer pour. So that's all we have to do. Put that in the middle and we're going to give it a start. Oh, so here we go. This is a purple red, followed by teal hue, and then we have a brilliant red, and yellow green. Never done one of these on a round canvas, so not for sure how it's going to work. I hope it turns out good. This is just a primary yellow, and I have a little bit of metallic white. Let that strain out just a little bit. I want to start over. If I can remember the order that I went in, which I probably can't. With some more. Do another round, I think. See how it comes out. Sit there for a second and drain through a little bit more. Looking pretty good. Metallic white. Let that sit for a few seconds and drain through. I like to get as close to the edge as I can. See what kind of colors that we got going here. Don't want to lose a whole lot of my shape. See a whole lot of the green in there. Okay, let's see if I can get this picked up. Slide just a little bit. Oh, man, that's pretty in the middle. Look at that. Oh, I hate to have to move it around because it looks so nice this way. I know I'm going to lose the shape. Let's give it a torch. I think I'm about out of fluid again. About out of butane. I'm going to grab me a little cup to put white in to go around. Okay. Let's see. Put some white in here. pinch it so I could go around the edge. something to flow. Do the edges with. There we go. I'm gonna have to tilt. That's the worst part of it. You have to tilt. You have to tilt off some of your pattern, and I don't like doing that. But it's necessary. Move that a little bit. Here we go. Let's try to keep some of our, move it back. Oops, don't want to lose all that pretty pattern. Try to get it this way and that way, and this way and that way. Let's see. Get that off some. Let's see what we got. Got the edges, got the sides. It's kind of hard to tell with the round. I think there's still an awful lot of paint on here, and I don't really want to get rid of any of it. It's so pretty the way that it is. Let's see, the sides over here, what it looks like. This has to go this way a little bit, I think. That way. Go off this way just a little bit. I'll lose all my, there we go, back. All right. I think that's good. I think I got about everything covered, like I should have. Lost about all my color though. Got mostly just about white. I don't know about this. What do you guys think? I don't know. It's all just about come off. Let's tip it some more. See if we can, what we can do about it. It's all just about come off. But for the middle part, we'll see. Let's see what we can accomplish. Doesn't look like a strainer pour, but I kind of like it. What's that in there? Is there something in my paint? It's kind of neat looking. It's different, that's for sure. Get some more paint off of it. Still an awful lot of paint on. Still an awful lot. Look at all the paint that's on here. Boy, I didn't realize I used so much. It really is pretty though. I wish you guys could talk to me. Tell me what you think about it. I really like that. Something different. Think it's pretty. What do you guys think about it? Give you a close-up. I think that's pretty good. Doesn't look like a strainer pour, but it looks pretty good. Thanks y'all for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I sure would appreciate it. Leave me a comment if you so desire. Share with your family and friends. Get my hands all wiped off here. So we can give it one final torch and see what happens. And there we are. Like I said, please subscribe if you haven't already. I think I said that. My Etsy store is open. All my information is down in the description below the video. Contact me if there's anything you want me to do for you. And as always, please have a great day.